You got any ideas?
I have a great idea.
Pitch it to me. Pitch it to me.
Hey, I got an idea.
Well, let's hear it.
Hello, fellow pet owners. My name is Jerry, and I reinvented the Pooper Scooper with my product that I call the Poo Vac. So the Poo Vac uses the suction power of a leaf blower together with a specially designed canister nozzle and bagging system. It makes picking up after your pet easier, cleaner, and far more dignified than the bag and the shovel. So the Poo Vac works on any size, for any size dog, on any surface. We've sold the Poo Vac across the country since 2012 and have been given fabulous feedback from our customers. What's nice about the Poo Vac is that if you use it, you won't have to bend over or carry a clumsy bag and shovel. Plus, the Poo Vac actually vacuums the turf, so it leaves nothing behind, and what you have as a result is a cleaner yard for your pets and family, and you don't get the sore back that you normally have.
Make or break an inventor. Be our shark and vote. Be bold and submit your product. What the heck? You could only make millions.